In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save highlights on Instagram to Camera Raw. It is very quickly and very easy. First of all, I will open out and view the process. On my Android, it is the same process on your iPhone too, okay? So the first thing you need to do is log in Instagram and log into your account. After doing that, you click on the last option right here and come to your profile. And after doing that, you need to find the picture or the video that you want to save on your Camera Raw. If you are a picture, you just need to press on the image and take a screenshot, okay? But if you are a video, you click on the three dots right here and click on copy link. Then you close Instagram and log into your navigator. I will use the Chrome, but you can use any navigator that you want. So you need to type save Instagram highlights and find the best website to do this process. I will use the first one. So click, and here you need to paste the link of your highlights, okay? Just paste the link here, click on this arrow right here, and download your highlights. I hope I help you how to save highlights on Instagram to Camera Raw. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.